Hey guys, it's me Tika, and today we are going to be making homemade watercolor paint with my own personal recipe. So first you need 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. And the next thing you're going to need is 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So I just did half and half. And then you're going to get the next ingredient, which is white sugar. This is super granulated sugar, so it does dissolve easily. And I just put in 2 teaspoons of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it together, and then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water and mix it again. And you're going to want to mix it until it's less pasty and more like a combined substance. And now I'm going to slowly pour into a paint palette. Mine kind of overflowed, so ignore that. And you're just going to mix some food coloring into it, which I will show you in a second. And once you get your food coloring, you're just going to put in a few drops. I chose yellow. I'm just doing one color today. And you just put a few drops, and then you can just mix it with a toothpick. I found that to be the easiest way to not spill anything. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to check out our other channels. The link will be in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!